feeling guapo of the game. Part of the audience here enjoying the action between Eridano Santa Rosa and Nueva Ecija Granary Buffaloes. Hunsay off to a good start for Eridanos. Brings the lead back up to 7 points after that strong drive to the hoop. No good on the long jumper. Another chance here. Ejilos steps back, creates space, no go though. But the offensive rebound and the reverse by Santos is good. Lead is down to 5 for Eridanos. Kaponpon with the ball, and there's a foul away from the ball. Tucaben gets assessed with a foul. Kaponpon drives and gets hacked, and a hard fall for Kaponpon there. Santos gets called for the foul. Seven to shoot for Hunsay. Hunsay, the jumper is good. Nice jumper. AJ Hunsay, back-to-back hits. 4 straight points to start this quarter. But Turingan, or Tucaben rather, quick to answer. And he draws the foul on AJ Hunsay. Good body control there and the finish. But Hunsay with that step back jumper on the other end. Trying to lead his team to victory. Bonus free throw is no good for Tucaben. 4-point lead for Santa Rosa. Hunsay, or Alota rather, Cabrillos attacks and draws the foul. 2 free throws for him. In and out on the first free throw for Cabrillos. One more. And gets the friendly bounce on the second one. 5-point lead for Eridanos. Kim Kiba is back on the game for Nueva Ecija. Strong pass there, can't control by Santos. Inside, Kaponpon hesitated on that one, but not Cabrillos, who took it strong. And he was rewarded with a bonus free throw. Cabrillos just threw it up and got the soft bounce there. Nilmer Cabrillos. Bonus free throw is good. 3-point play converted. And the lead is up to 9 points for Eridanos. And the turnover by Kiba. Desquitado saves it. Can't hit the jumper. Cabrillos, the scoop shot. Another chance. ball is loose. Hunsay back outside. The shot clock didn't reset. 5 to shoot. No good on the jumper. Cabrillos again. Ends up in a white shirt this time. Tadeo pushes it to Kiba. And last touch by the foot of a blue shirt. Ingusan back in the game. Tolentino draws the foul on Jeff Disquitado. Tolentino forcing the issue there, trying to create some space, but ends up in a turnover. Hunsay kicks it back outside. Disquitado. Madlang Bayan. Back to Disquitado. Short on the jumper. But his teammate Kaponpon was there. Sakto-sakto. In the right place at the right time for that tip-in. Looked like a pass that time by Disquitado to Kaponpon. Paul Heinrich Kaponpon. Bonus free throw is good. Now an 11-point advantage. Looks like the biggest lead so far for Eridanos. So Nueva Ecija has to talk it over. We'll be right back. Back to the game here. Santa Rosa Eridanos with the 12 or make the 11-point lead, and all because of one man, Alexander AJ Hunsay. 16 points, 6 of 8 from the field, 5 rebounds, and 2 steals already to shoulder most of the load for the Laguna-based team. Nueva Ecija off a timeout, can't convert. On the break, Madlang Bayan, the no-look feed, and kickball by Tolentino. Madlang Bayan setting it up, hands it off to Disquitado. Now it's with AJ Hunsay. Hunsay attacks, no good. Tadeo grabs it and he is fouled. So Eridanos just their second team foul, while Nueva Ecija is already in the penalty with still over 7 minutes to go as Juancho Tolentino hits the mid-range jumper. That's the lead to 9. They have to make a move here. Cabrillos inside to Kaponpon. Ends up in the hands of Hunsay. The spin. Looks for a teammate. Madlang Bayan knocks it down. Jens Madlang Bayan. And that's gotta hurt if you're Nueva Ecija, as the lead is back to 12. Quejilos, the floater is good. Still a double-digit lead for Eridanos. Cabrillos, the fake, 2 fakes. Short on that one, Disquitado. No good on that follow-up. Thought he was fouled, but he just gets it out of bounds. And look at this, Jens Madlang Bayan. Dagger 3. Ejilos though, quick to retaliate. Empty possession for Nueva Ecija. Disquitado on the break. No go there. They reset. Madlang Bayan. Tough jumper still manages to get it through. Jens Madlang Bayan. Nice defense there for Eridanus. Momentum all on the side of the Santa Rosa base team. Madlang Bayan using the kapunpon screen. Madlang Bayan takes it himself, drops it at the last second, and Cabrillos was there for the finish. Good find by Madlang Bayan. Ejilos, the teardrop doesn't work this time. And it's all Santa Rosa now with a 14-point advantage halfway through the fourth and final frame. Loses the leather all alone is Ingusan. And he finishes that one. A Blaze 3. Still an 11-point lead for Eridanus. Disquitado to Cabrillos inside. And last touch by Cabrillos, he couldn't believe it. And Madlang Bayan providing a spark here with that tough fadeaway turnaround jumper. Madlang Bayan with his playmaking skills on full effect. This time a pass to Cabrillos, the smallest man with the biggest heart in this fourth quarter. Nueva Ecija trying to bring it down to single-digit margin again. Deflected out of bounds. Approaching the 5-minute mark of our fourth quarter. No good on the 3 by Tucaben. So Tucaben, the 3-pointer is counted. So it looks like it was an interference. So goaltending violation. A tough break there for Eridanus. Chance to make a run here for Nueva Ecija. The spin move, Tucaben, no good this time. Madlang Bayan finds Alota down low. Tucaben. Back outside for 3. Turingan the miss. The reverse layup still no go. Fontanilla can't hit, but he draws the foul. Alota gets called for the foul. Romuel Hunsay back in the game for Madlang Bayan. The small man with the big heart standing tall in this quarter. Fontanilla misses the first free throw though. Good on the second free throw is Kian Fontanilla. 7-point lead for Eridanus. Hunsay drops it to Alota, and last touch by Alota. Nueva Ecija can keep up this run here. Ejilos, floater again, no good. Fontanilla tips it to himself and scores on the inside incursion. And just a 5-point lead now for Santa Rosa. The comeback is alive. for Nueva Ecija. And the steal. Hehilos on the break. Second serving is good. And Turingan scores that time, and the lead is down to just 2 points. Nice block by Alguire, but the second serving, Turingan was there to continue the run for the Nueva Ecija Granary Buffaloes. We'll be right back. Back to the game here. Nueva Ecija in the middle of a comeback. Edgy Hehilos, 20 points, 8 of 14 from the field, 3 of 6 from downtown. He's been trying to lead the comeback for the Granary Buffaloes. They are down by just 2 points. This is anyone's ball game. Less than 4 minutes to go here. Drop pass inside to Kaponpon, and an offensive foul. Kaponpon for 14 fouls of Santa Rosa. Nueva Ecija already in the penalty, and Hehilos, 22 points for Edgy Hehilos. And just like that, it's another deadlock. We are now all tied once again. Quick trigger 3 doesn't work by Maurilio. Fontanilla grabs it. Hehilos, a long floater, still no go. Alguire with the board. Maurilio pushing here despite no numbers, and still manages to get it through. Blaze 3 for Maurilio. They're up back by 3 points. Santa Rosa. 2 minutes 30 remaining in this game. Hehilos, stop and pop. No good though. Maurilio. No good. Fontanilla skies for the board. Maurilio could have waited for his teammates on the other end that time. And the steal. No, the recovery. Madlang Bayan completes the steal, and Maurilio all alone. 2 hands for safety. So another Blaze 3 that time. So 6 straight points, courtesy of John Lester Maurilio. So back-to-back Blaze 3s to bring the lead back up to 6 points. That's a tough break there. So how important is the Blaze 3 in this conference of the NBL? Tolentino, no good. Madlang Bayan pushes it. Kaponpon, the layup is good. And just like that, back to a 9-point advantage. 3 straight Blaze 3s for Eridano Santa Rosa. Madlang Bayan pushing it, and Kaponpon finishing it. Just like that, back to a 9-point game here. We'll be back. And back to the game here. Nueva Ecija trying to make a last push here, but time is running out. Less than 2 minutes to go, and they are down by 9 points. 9 unanswered points for Eridano Santa Rosa, courtesy of that back-to-back Blaze 3s. And what a great rule change. The Blaze 3 in full effect here. Hehilos, they need the basket here, and he is denied. Exactly a minute and 30 to go in this game right here. Nueva Ecija has to make its move now. So the refs look like will review the last out of bounds play here to see who touched it last. Ball stays on the same side. Granary Buffaloes try to map out a play here. Last touch by a blue shirt, confirmed by the officials. Tolentino off the timeout play. Nice timeout there as Tolentino drains the triple. They're down by just 6 points here. Still alive. Madlang Bayan crosses the half-court line. Slows it down. Madlang Bayan against Ingusan. Madlang Bayan kicks it out. Morillo for three. No good. Torres the rebound and Madlang Bayan tries to save it. And the referees, just to make sure, will review this last play here. Nueva Ecija trying to make a comeback here, but Santa Rosa trying to hold on with a 6-point lead here. 1:06 exactly remaining in this ball game. And the ball stays on this side.
Eridanus Santa Rosa.
Eridanus basketball after that review. So looks like it was last touch by the blue shirts, but after the review it will stay here as Hunsay, a big basket that time to bring the lead back up to 8. Hilos with a three, no good. Ball stays with the blue shirts. But Hunsay trying to put the game to bed here with that one-handed shot. Short on the shot by Torres, but they keep possession here. 40 seconds ang natitira sa larong to. Ingusan, Tolentino the fake, draws the foul, and 2 free throws for the Nueva Ecija star. Alguire admits the foul. Two free throws for Juancho Tolentino. Good way to score points without the shot clock or without the clock running. So a free three here. And he buries it. A big free three. The good time to use that play there. So one free throw results in 3 points. So lead is down to 5 here. Still anybody's ball game. Hunsay wants to waste some time away. Madlang Bayan using much time here. Alguire, no good on the jumper. Nueva Ecija on the break here. Tucaben is denied by Alguire. Nice stop there by Shondi Alguire. 13.6 seconds remaining in this game. Looking for a teammate. Hilos pulls up for three, no good. And rebound by Alguire. And he is fouled to stop the clock. So Tucaben commits the foul. Alguire on the foul line. Misses the first one though, keeping a window open para dito sa Nueva Ecija. But the Eridanos bench holding on to their seats. Nice, 1 for 2 from the foul line. 6-point lead for Eridanos, and the steal by Madlang Bayan. That should do it. And what a time to come up with a defensive play, and that should do it. Eridanos Santa Rosa pulling off an escape act against the Nueva Ecija Granary Buffaloes, 106-100. A hard-fought victory for Eridanos Santa Rosa as they get back on the winning track. Eridanos improved to 4-2 as they stopped their losing streak at 2 games. They are back on the winning track and improved to 4-2, while Nueva Ecija falls to 2-3 after losing their second straight game. Santa Rosa Eridanos, the best player of the game, Rodolfo Alota, 12 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists. He was the man in the middle for Eridanos team, who had a balanced attack, not just him. So it's been a balanced effort for the Laguna-based team on the way to this 6-point victory against the Nueva Ecija Granary Buffaloes. Again, Santa Rosa improving to 4-2, while Nueva Ecija falling to 2-3 in Group B.